What exactly is plastic waste? Plastic waste, or sometimes we can call it plastic pollution, is the accumulation of plastic objects in the environment, affecting such as, but not limited to, humans, wildlife, and wildlife habitat. And we all know that this is one of the biggest problems that the human race face today. One of the main contributors to these plastic pollutions are one-time use plastic bottles. And I believe we're all guilty of using plastic bottles. It's just so convenient and so easy to just buy one when we're thirsty and just throw it away afterwards. But we never ever have the second thought that all these plastic bottles we ever use is still in the environment, polluting the environment for centuries to come. Hi sir, my name is Wen Hao, and my groupmates are Im Sheng-en, Jason, Jeremy, Yufen, and Zikang. Now the question is, how can we reduce all these plastic bottle waste? Here's where we come in. Group 10, our group name is called Bright P. Come, let me introduce you to our latest product. Our product name is called Plastic Light. It is basically a plastic bottle. We reuse all these plastic bottle waste and we design it to be a light source with a spice of elegant design. Now, let's look at our problem statement here. We would like to do our part to reduce all this plastic pollution. Our aim after this project is to try to save the environment and lessen all this plastic pollution in the environment. Our target for this product will be poorer countries such as like countries in Africa or like lower income groups in countries like Malaysia, the Southeast Asia, all these countries. Now, enough about this. I'll hand this presentation to my fellow groupmate, Zikang. Thank you.
Our key partners will be Zero Waste Malaysia, universities, schools, businesses that support green movement, or in other words, promote a healthy environment. Considering the water bottle supplies, we'll get our raw material from our partners, mainly from their donation. That the raw material will undergo some production phase and the final product will come out with light made out of these plastic bottles equipped with solar panels inside, or we create a new design to sell to the poorer country with a much more affordable price. That inspired us to came up with the product will be the phenomenon that appear in global, where we can see plastic bottles everywhere. It's shown that it takes a long time for the plastic bottles to decompose, and it brings side effect to the society as well. So we conducted a primary research to know how often does the public use plastic bottles. The result comes out with 80% of the respondents use 1 to 5 plastic bottles per week, and only 41% of the respondents will reuse it, while 30% of the respondents never reuse it. This reflects that public are highly dependent on using plastic bottles, and it will eventually be thrown away after being used. For our marketing strategy, we decide to promote our business through Instagram, Facebook, articles, and environmental posters. We think that this is the best way to create awareness, especially for a startup business. Thank you.